Hello everyone, welcome to TechOfro. Today I'm going to show you how to create a comment box in WordPress. For that I need to log into my WordPress. Click on Pages. Let me edit on Home page. Click on Edit. Here you can see that we have a section called Discussion. In Discussion, here we have a checkbox, Allow Comments. Click on Allow Comments and update it. View Pages. So in my page, I have a comment box here. Let me write something. Post comment. As you can see, my comment is posted in here and it is visible for everyone. If anyone except admin want to comment on the post, he can write a comment similarly, but he need to get approval from the admin. That's all for today. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.